Challenge number 3192, reverse. Implement the type version of Array.reverse. For example, reverse ABC becomes the array type CBA. Let's check it out in the code. Okay, the first step that we're doing is we make sure that T is actually an array, and for that we extend unknown array. The next step is that we check out, does T conform to the form of infer rest and infer last. I forgot the spread here, which gives us access to basically the rest of the array and the last element. With that, we return a new array with the last element first and spread over reverse, and we put in here as the new type the rest. So basically we take the last element and reverse the rest of the array, which is still in the normal order. If T does not extend this type of array, then we just return T. And that's already it. A very concise solution. As you can see, all test cases pass. So see you in the next one.
If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.